Now, your first alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates.
Looking at a chilly week ahead here. In fact, the National Weather Service has already taken the step to issue a wind chill watch and a wind chill advisory. And this is going to be not tonight, but tomorrow night, because we're going to look at wind chills here about 20 to 40 below zero for early Wednesday morning as some of this colder air spills in from the east. So here is the setup. You've heard all about this big Arctic blast affecting most of the nation. We are on the fence. We are on the jet stream. We are going to get some of this cold air spilling in from the east on our side of the Continental Divide. You got the warm air mass to the west, so we're not going to get the full effect of the Arctic blast here. And then we're mixing in some Pacific moisture. By the time this moisture gets in here with the cold air, we could be looking at more scattered snow showers and more wind with all this movement in the weather pattern as we get into the later half of that 8-day forecast pushing towards this weekend. So take a look at the Vipercast. Tonight, we are hinting at more scattered snow showers and flurries coming back in. This is 10 o'clock tonight on the Vipercast, so that's going to start you off with the computer model. I want to show you that we are getting some of this wraparound, lightly scattered to moderate snow flurries and even a couple of good showers, and we're going to get some good snow in the mountains where we like to see it around the Wyoming border. This is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. I freeze it for you just to show you that we are still looking at a fairly cloudy Tuesday here, at least to get the day started. A hint of some sunshine across the desert, but not much, and then more scattered snow showers for western Wyoming and far eastern Idaho. By tomorrow afternoon, we start to thin out that cloud cover. We pull in more sunshine, and we're starting to really get a little bit of some nicer weather in here by tomorrow afternoon, but it's still going to be a bit windy with the winds going around 15 to 20 miles an hour. Now we're into Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday's looking nice here, but it's still going to be cold, especially for Wednesday morning, because we're losing that cloud cover Tuesday night, and Wednesday morning is really going to bite you as you step outside as we get off to work and school here. All right, so now we get into Thursday. This is when we start to work in some of that Pacific moisture, and we're going to be right on the edge of that rain-snow mix. Tuesday, we're looking at just a little bit of snow. We're going to see more snow as we get into Thursday night and Friday with more wind in the forecast. You'll see that in your 8-day forecast. Tonight's lows, pretty chilly. 13 in Chow's, 10 for Mackay, 15 in Arco, 16 in Idaho Falls for the low, 10 in Jackson, 1 in Island Park. And no, I didn't leave a 1 off of that. That's just one single digit there. 25 for Pocatello, 23 for American Falls, lower 20s in Lava, 16 in Montpelier, and the teens for Afton. Highs tomorrow, we're coming back. And we're looking for temperatures to stay rather chilly here for the rest of the week, with highs only getting into the 20s, and we're not even going to break freezing tomorrow. With the cloud cover and the chance of snow, we're looking at highs tomorrow only into the upper 20s for Pocatello, Blackfoot, and Idaho Falls, lower 20s for Driggs and Jackson, teens for Island Park, 24 for St. Anthony, 25 at the site, 26 in Arco, teens and 20s for Chow's and Salmon, the 8-day forecast. We got the windy conditions coming in here for tomorrow, and we're going to be looking for a bit of some sunshine on Wednesday, but it's going to be a very chilly start there. Look at the low for not tonight, but tomorrow night. This is when we have the wind chill advisory, or wind chill watch, I should say. We're going to be looking at a low around 3, and that's going to be going into early Wednesday morning for Idaho Falls. Some scattered snow showers and flurries to get us into Friday and Saturday here. We're going to have this like jolt into winter-like weather. Pocatello highs around 28 for Wednesday, 38 on Thursday, lower 40s for Friday, lower 40s on Saturday, and we're starting to see more snow in the forecast here. We'll take a look at the Jackson Hole 8-day forecast coming up later in the show. Back over to Jay and Carol.
All right,
wow, kind of a shock to see those single digits here.
A shock to our system.
Yeah, that's right. More ways than one.
Yeah. 3 astronauts are back on land tonight. After the break, a look at their return to Earth. It was caught on camera.
But first, let's take a look at how the markets closed for the day, and we'll be right back.